All right, let's talk about getting started at the gym. If you're new to this, it can feel overwhelming, but I promise you, it's all about taking that first step and building a routine that works for you. First things first, let's focus on the basics. When you walk into the gym, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Look for the cardio machines, the weight area, and the stretching zone. Knowing where everything is will help you feel more comfortable. Now, let's start with a warm-up. This is crucial. You want to get your blood flowing and your muscles ready for action. Spend about 5 to 10 minutes on a treadmill or an elliptical. Keep a steady pace. You're not racing anyone, just enough to break a light sweat. Once you feel warm, it's time to stretch. Focus on your legs, arms, and back. Simple stretches like reaching for your toes, arm circles, and gentle torso twists will do wonders. Next, let's dive into some strength training. Don't be intimidated by the weights. Start with body weight exercises to build your foundation. Squats are a fantastic starting point. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower your body as if you're sitting back into a chair, keeping your chest up and knees behind your toes. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. If you want to add weights later, you can hold a dumbbell in each hand. After squats, let's work on your upper body. Push-ups are great, and you can modify them by doing them on your knees if needed. Keep your body in a straight line from head to knees, lower yourself down, and push back up. Start with 3 sets of 5 to 10 reps. If that feels too challenging, you can do wall push-ups as a gentler alternative. Next, let's not forget about your core. Planks are a fantastic exercise for this. Get into a push-up position, but rest on your forearms instead of your hands. Keep your body straight and hold for 20 to 30 seconds. As you get stronger, you can increase the time. Aim for 3 sets. Finally, let's cool down. Spend 5 to 10 minutes walking on the treadmill at a slow pace, allowing your heart rate to return to normal. After that, stretch again. Focus on deep breathing as you stretch, letting your body relax. Remember, consistency is key. Aim for 2 to 3 days a week to start and gradually increase as you feel more comfortable. Listen to your body. If something doesn't feel right, don't push through the pain. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. You're doing this for you, and every step counts.